afternoon. Na ko sa Calgary Airport. Going na ko sa LA. Kaduka.
Question flight 1024 to Los Angeles is still looking for Miss Addison Soloy. Once again, Addison Soloy, please come see us here at gate E71 with your printed boarding pass.
Soloy.
Also for passport verification, we are looking for Dhaval Patel. Dhaval Patel. Please come see us here at gate E71 for passport verification. Once again, last name Patel and Soloy.
Zone 4.
Good evening. It is our pleasure to welcome you to WestJet Flight 1024 to Los Angeles.
10.
Bonsoir. Il nous fait plaisir de vous accueillir sur le vol WestJet 1024
Hi,
à
Dallas.
destination de Los Angeles.
Medyo ta nakita, day. West 10 to 4 A71 10B. Waiting for my flight going to Los Angeles, California. Tia, bye bye for now, Tia Bell. See you soon again.